Hi, welcome back to my channel. I thought I'd do a catch-up video today. Probably, I think it was about maybe 4 weeks ago now. I did a video. I included that I was using this. This is the Argan oil, which I actually bought from Poundland, and I've been using it on my hair, just in the ends. I don't actually take it onto the root, but what I tend to do is put it onto the ends of my hair at night time and then just pop my hair up into like a little bun, just so that the ends are all tucked in with the argan oil on, and then my hair just absolutely absorbs it. I'm pretty sure that the oil sort of travels up the hair a little bit, but I've reaped so many benefits. Honestly, it's just, I'm finding it very, very good, and it has, you know, it's turning out to be part of my regular routine. I probably use this maybe about 4 times a week. I mean, I don't have like this routine where it goes on every night, but it definitely goes on at least 3 times a week anyway, sometimes 4, you know, it really just depends. Anyway, I thought, because I'm just about to go get in the shower, so I thought I would show you what my hair's looking like. Remembering, obviously it does need to be washed, okay? What I will do is take this brush. I'm really loving this. This is a ball brush, and it's just really nice to use. So my hair does need a really good wash, as I've said. I'm going to look in the mirror a little bit here, but for those of you that have been subscribed to my channel for a little while, I think you can see that it's really growing, and not only does it feel as though it is, you know, that it not only is it growing, it's actually feeling a lot stronger. Now, there is something else that I've been using. I've been using this for about a month, but the other thing is I've been using the Lacura, I think it's hair, nails and skin supplement. I just take 1 tablet a day in the morning with all my other tablets that I take, and I think I'm actually seeing some benefit. Now what I'll do, I haven't got them here because they are downstairs, but what I will do is insert a picture here so that you can see what they look like. They're absolutely dirt cheap, and they're just, I'm sure they, along with the argan oil, are making all the difference to my hair. So if you have got really fine hair, which I have actually got really fine hair, but if you have got fine hair, or if you're wanting to grow your hair, it may be worth trying. I mean, I'm not going to say it's definitely going to work for you, but it works for me. So, I mean, £1 for this argan oil. There's 50 mils in here, and this has lasted me a month so far. Let's have a look and see how much is left. Wow, hardly any. Look. Can you see how much is in there? So I thought it was about time I updated you as to, you know, how my hair's doing. I think I owe it to the argan oil, really. But however, as I say, it's only been a couple of weeks since I've been using those supplements from Aldi, which is the Lacura range. But, you know, I'm sure that's helping as well. You know, I've got more body in my hair and everything, and it feels so strong. It's not feeling all weak, and it's not breaking off. It's, yeah. So whether they go hand in hand, well, I think they do. So this is my go-to now that I use a lot, you know. I just think it's made an incredible difference to my hair, and also because I'm using it sort of 3 to 4 times a week, it's really doing my cuticles good as well, because, you know, any that's left I just sort of rub into my cuticles. So that's a win-win anyway. I'm hoping that I'll see even better results. That would just be amazing, wouldn't it? So I thought I'd just touch base with you just so that you all can see the results that I'm getting. And for £1, I've barely used maybe like the depth of a fingernail Honestly, it's just so incredibly cheap and an amazing product. So you never know, you know, if this helps you and you want to give it a go, you've only got £1 to lose, haven't you? I hope you've enjoyed me just sort of touching base with you and updating you, and I need to go and get into my shower. I'm gonna have a nice shower and then put some more of this on. If you've enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. I'd love it if you could subscribe to my channel for more of this and a whole lot more. I'll talk to you all in the next one, my lovelies. Bye. Bye-bye.